Hey there, it's Eric from AquaNooga. Gonna have a quick little video today just introducing fertilizing our aquatic plants, kind of show you how that's done. And for today's video, we will be using the Pondtabbs Plus fertilizer tablets. And it is very important to fertilize your plants for best performance, especially water lilies and lotus. They're going to be very heavy feeders. You're going to get better blooms, better growth on the plants if we're fertilizing it. So the first thing that we're going to do is pull our plant out of the water. That does make it a little bit easier most of the time. You can do it in the water if you're able to access the plant easy enough. You do just want to be a little bit careful that you're not dropping the tablets into the water and letting them dissolve there, because that's really going to fertilize the algae growth if that were to happen. So what we're going to do, we're going to pull our plant out. And I'm going to use a tool in this case. This is the Oaza Easy Pick. So if they're hard to reach, you can use that. Otherwise, you can just grab them by hand. Use the tool to pull the plant a little bit closer to you. And we're going to take our water lily out of the water. And what we'll do now, we want to use about 1 tablet per gallon of soil. So in this 10-inch by 6-inch pot that these are in, I'm going to use 2 tablets. We'll brush away a little bit of the gravel that we have on top. And then we're going to stick these in about finger length deep. And then brush the soil back over and the gravel back over. You don't want to put these too close to the actual growth point, so out away from the growing point. Second one, finger length deep. Brush our soil back. If we've dirtied up the water in the pot a little bit, sometimes we'll just dump that out. Take the plant and slowly lower it back into the pond. Then if we need to reposition the plant, we'll use our easy pick. Get that back where it needs to go. Now that plant is ready for growth. We're typically doing this about once a month during the growing season. And we're going to see some great flowers on this one. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day.